Flo-Tek, flow better with us. Flo-Tek is a ISO 9001 accredited company and certified by South African Bureau of Standards, Botswana Bureau of Standards, and Southern African Plastic Pipe Manufacturers Association. We are a leading manufacturer and supplier of pipes, fittings, tanks, and irrigation products, recognized as the largest producer of plastic pipes in the region.
My name is Vijay Naik, Managing Director of Flo-Tek Pipes and Irrigation in Botswana. Botswana, we started Flo-Tek in 1998 with a very humble beginning with one extruder to manufacture PVC pipes in Lobats. We've gone through various processes of learning, but today we have 10 lines in Lobatse, and we added more products to our product line, that is roto-molded tanks and injection molded fittings. We have expanded our product line into the region. We have a factory in Johannesburg in South Africa, which is making HDPE pipe, which is mainly used for mining sector. The reason we started this in South Africa is because it's closer to the market, and as we all know, mining sector in South Africa is very big. We also expanded our footprint in Angola in 2003. We started a factory in Angola manufacturing tanks and pipes. We also have our operations in Namibia, where we distribute our product. We have a presence in Dundee, Nelspruit, Port Elizabeth, and East London. And recently we have started in Northwest South Africa. We also have started a branch in Zambia, and it is our intention to start in Mozambique and other region of Southern Africa. As Flo-Tek, I always believe that we should have innovative products in order to grow our business. Recently we have signed an agreement with a company in US called Lubrizol to manufacture CPVC pipe to replace copper piping for hot and cold water application in plumbing industry. This product will be made in Botswana by Flo-Tek and will be exported in Southern Africa, and we are the only licensee to manufacture these products. And I can proudly say that in Southern Africa we are the largest manufacturer of piping system, which is based in Botswana.
Flo-Tek has recently started production of CPVC pipe as a plumbing solution for hot and cold water applications, with a capacity of 20 millimeters up to 63 millimeters diameters, along with fitting production. This operation employs over 550 citizen employees. With the company's expansion program, the number will increase significantly. Midrand plant focuses on the production of high-density polyethylene HDPE pipes, with a production capacity of 20 millimeters up to 1,000 millimeters diameters pipes. The pipe is specifically suitable for mining, civil, and agriculture sectors. The operation started in 2007 and has 100 employees. Flo-Tek has a manufacturing facility in Luanda, Angola. category at the Grant Thornton's Private Business Growth Awards.
Hooray! Flo-Tek! Flo-Tek with us!
Flo-Tek, flow better with us.